Hi everyone, a video from pennystocktradingcourse.com. Um, I often get emails from people asking me what platform do I use when I trade penny stocks. Well, I can tell you because I have several different types of stocks that I trade, big board, NASDAQ. What I do is I use actually TD Ameritrade. Now, you don't have to use TD Ameritrade when you trade. I mean, Scottrade, I've never used them, but I heard they're pretty good. And there's several others if you just give it a Google. But you definitely want to go with a company that does have a good reputation and has been around for quite some time. And also good technical phone support. TD Ameritrade does provide good technical phone support, so if I ever have questions, I call them and I actually get a live individual, which I'm pretty excited about because that's not really that common nowadays. So when you type in your symbol here in the Ameritrade platform, which I am right here, this particular company is called American Commerce Solutions, AACS, a really good short over the course of the last 4 or 5 months. And this stock has average daily volume 78,000. Market cap super tiny at 2 million. Shares outstanding 1.2 billion. So you can see they have really, how can I say, diluted these shares outstanding. I mean, that's just crazy. 1.2 billion shares. So um, when we look at this company, you know, you have several different options here from TD Ameritrade. I mean, you can use the advanced charting system, and it'll kind of pop up a window, and then you can, analyze your charts accordingly. It looks like it's taking a little bit to load here, but basically, this will give you a much better picture. And I think for the non-day trader, for the trader really just looking to take a position and hold it for maybe a week or even, 4 or 5 days, swing trade, position trade, whatever, I think this platform is pretty good. But if you're going to be in and out, I just don't think that this platform, the commissions may add up, and you may be able to get a broker that has a little bit better commissions. You just have to shop around. But for what I use, it's perfect because I typically do hold these trades. But you can see you go to the 3 year, the 5 year, the 10 year. So the charting system is pretty good, pretty robust. You can go back, and I think this is pretty important to have a pretty broad outlook when you are trading penny stocks. You want to see what has happened the few years prior, who has run the stock up, when it has, who was involved, what kind of directors maybe at the time, if it was run up 2 years ago, who was managing the company, who was the CEO, who was on the board, things like that. And then you fast forward a few years, you want to see what is in store. Are they going to run it up again? Sometimes the timetable will tell the story. Year to date on this stock, you could see, really, really ugly. Okay, really ugly. I mean, so this in particular is not something that I would, be trading in and out. I mean, it's just trades with a, not such a wide spread, but just, this is basically a dead stock at this point, a dead penny stock. Okay. You could see it did have its run up if you look at the 10-year chart. It did have its run up, but that was a while back, and not really impressive run ups in my opinion. Okay, so at any rate, I just used this one. Maybe this wasn't the best example, just to kind of show you the charting system, that particular stock, but just kind of wanted to show you how it pops up. We were talking about this a couple weeks ago. And I'm actually sitting on this right now, and I'm just holding this. This is in my portfolio, but at any rate, if you just look at this, it's pretty nice. Now that's the 10-year. You could just see that huge spike. So yeah, this did have a monster spike at some point. In the last year, it had a spike up to about 24 cents right here. And now we've just really been consolidating. Not much going on. They had some news come out a couple weeks ago. Not filed their 10Q. Not bad at all. I thought it was pretty promising. Um, But you go to the 3-month chart and here you go. This is a good example, I think, of TD Ameritrade's chart. Not bad. So anyway, we'll go over this in the members section in thoroughly, but I just kind of wanted to come out and talk about this particular platform. Hope you enjoyed and picked up a few things on it. One thing, once again, just to reiterate, one thing I look for when trading stocks is really just a company that's been around for quite some time and reputable and has a decent platform. So anyway, for what it's worth, everybody have a great week, and I'll try to make another video maybe the latter part of this week, maybe next week. Okay, take care, everyone.